Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take a full page screenshot with DOOGEE X97 Pro. And to do this you'll need to open any app that allows you to scroll down. In this case, let's go for the settings. Now make sure that you're on top of the page and click on the combination of the power key and volume down key at the same time. This will take a normal screenshot. Then we can click on the it goes fast, okay. On this button right here, and it should allow us to crop the page. And it's not nearly full page, but it reaches almost the bottom, so you can experiment with different apps or pages. Make sure to save this screenshot afterwards. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.